So I wanted to talk a little bit about what a water treatment system looks like in your home. So what you're going to be left with is three types of water. You're going to have your working water, which is going to be the water that's left untreated, will be available in your outdoor spigots. So washing your driveway, watering your garden, watering your plants, and then we move into your house. And typically what happens is we install a water softener into the incoming water to your house. So now you have softened water available throughout your house. Every tap, every shower, bath, dishwasher, washing machine, anything that's using water inside the house will now be softened, thus leaving you with better soap performance. And then finally what we do is we put a pure water system on your drinking. And so you have water available throughout your house, on all the faucets, everywhere else, and finally move into the drinking water system. We have a pure water system. So the big thing now is that Culligan has got involved with this new product. It's a game changer in our industry. It's called the Holland's Premium Drinking Water System. And what it does now is take what was only available at your faucet for pure water drinking and provides it in all these other places throughout your house. So now you'll be bathing, showering, washing your clothes, all pure water. Something that's brand new in the industry, game changer. So call us today to schedule an appointment to talk about Holland's Premium Drinking Water System.